Sluck and Pucky.
Walang kamera dito.
Good morning, Philippines!
Anyway guys, so yun guys, nagpahinga lang ako guys kasi nag-ano ako ng video, nag-edit, gumagawa ng thumbnail, and yun si Roxy nakipag-usap sa ama niya kasi gusto na namang lumabas. Roxy! Gahi man kag ulo! You cannot do that! No! No, no, no!
Go in your ear, go bzzz. Make it vibrate in your eardrums.
Do that, do that.
I do that, make it crazy. But it makes you growl like it.
She's so jealous, honey.
I tell you a secret. Here's a secret. What? I can tell you a secret. Secret.
She growl. She growl. The other one's jealous. She's so jealous.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Don't worry about her. Good girl.
She's Han, she keep talking, Han. Keep moving, Han.
Good girl. Good girl.
On a running list of people inside
She's so jealous.
Good girl. Can I give you a kiss?
wants to go even further and is working in key positions. As CNN's Caitlin Collins reports, it appears a third.
She's coming. She's gonna.
Donald Trump is on a new pursuit to weed out staffers who aren't devoted enough.
I'm just going to continue upstairs kasi may mga basura doon. Bukas maitatapon ako kasi basura bukas and we need to throw the garbage. Last week we don't throw anything. Dahil nakalimutan talaga namin guys ni Tami mag tapo ng basura. And then ngayon may dito tayo sa bag. Hinahanap ko lang yung ko charger kasi mag-charge tayo ng battery. Lobat na kasi it's already 4 something in the afternoon. Doon tayo sa taas. I will see you later. Tapusin ko lang to doon and then balikan ko kayo. Come here, Misty.
Puppy chow.
Ha?
Puppy chow.
For the doggies. So, ngayon, tapos na ako sa taas. Well, actually, hindi pa talaga, pero nag-isip ako kung saan ako next maglinis. I think dito. Sa cabinet dito, I think. Ewan ko. I think mamaya para hindi tayo nagupo. I think I still have to edit a video. I forgot. I still have to edit a video. I guess bukas na yan dyan. Ha?
Good to say you forgot.
Meron naman akong video para bukas, pero sa mga susunod na araw, wala pa talaga, guys. That's a lot, you know that?
For tuna?
Yeah. Huh?
The only thing left in here is a little wing.
Yeah, for that probably tomorrow. Right?
Oh no, I got the chicken I made too.
Okay. Meron tayong, guys. This is from Harbor Freight. They have from Tammy's favorite store. The coupon, guys. Favorito ni Tammy. Guys, we're eating. What did I say, Han?
You said he's sluck and pucky.
What did I should say it? Fucking lucky.
You said sluck and pucky.
I should say get fucking lucky. But I said what?
Sluck and pucky.
So cute. Oh my god, Ronnie. I'm just laughing. He's eating. We're eating dinner, guys. What do they have? I can't reach anything, guys. I'm looking at the dumpster pero wala akong makita. Mga ano man ito. Look, magagamit ko to ba? Gamit ko to, guys. Open it. For your toes. Walang kamera dito. Wala na. Yan lang. Let's go. You still with Isabel?
No. That was it. You find out that.
Okay, guys. We got a thing. Holy, guys. This is kind of very scary. Look, I think about this, and so I got something for the. Oh my God! They put it in the thing, so that means they don't use it, right?
Right.
So I think of this. Oh, this is gonna be like for Tommy's heavy tools. So I got it because ang dami itong tools na mabigat at hindi kaya ng box. So yun. Oh my God, first time nating naka-dumpster na we got something from the dumpster, honey.
Yeah, empty containers.
Well, it's a really strong containers, guys. Look, it's right there. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So let's see what we can go where next. Malalago. Dito tayo sa Costco, guys. I-try natin dito. Oops. You can go over there. This is an empty store.
Yeah, but this is not actually. This must be something else. Maybe it's actually half on off. Or it's actually just out of business. These are the loading docks.
Dumpster over here.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Huh?
I don't look like much.
No, they don't have. Okay, hold on. Keep going over there. Block me. Okay. Nothing, guys. You know what is that? The other store's closed.
Right.
Party City. I see the sign over there.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah.
Do you have any cool party cities over there?
No, that box empty. Somebody returned that box and then empty.
Yeah, I remember there was a party city up here.
Yeah. So the Party City is closed.
Party city went out of business. I was waiting for somebody else to rent it.
Yeah.
So this was the entrance of Party City here.
Yeah.
And this is the cutoff right here, this wall.
So they make it smaller,
and
huh?
And after this wall is actually still pretty big.
Yeah, it's big.
There's only one level. You know,
They are the expensive, hun. So let's go, honey.
Look at that.
Ayan. We
That
cannot
little
take that.
backhoe.
We cannot
You fit in the trunk?
That's too big. We are a thief already.
They can throw that out.
And if we do that, we're a
Look,
thief.
Roller. A real backhoe. I'd be happy with a little baby backhoe.
They really have lights here, seriously?
Yes. A lot of traffic coming from Costco, you kidding?
No.
He's got a light.
This guy won't even brake.
Oh, he's got a light. He has no choice.
then it's like 243 at the other thing, and the other one is 247. So so that's where I go to the big one.
Check.
Yeah.
Storage is 247.
Yeah.
Here it's 243, but my credit card is 253. So they charge you more. Other places around here, they're still charging you 290.
It's right here. It's empty.
What? That was a stone plate.
No. Anyway guys, stone place. Seriously. Anyway guys, so kahit saan na kami napunta, napadpad nitong dumpster diving na ito.
Liquor store.
They never tried it liquor.
No, I have all the scotch.
We have scotch in the house, Tommy. Stop lying.
Who does?
You.
In this house?
No, in our house.
No, that's when I'll be here.
So yun guys, so napunta tayo sa mga kahit saan-saan. Ito yung pinakamahirap talaga mag-dumpster diving dito sa New York. Especially kung tulad dito, nasa mga city-city area ka. I think okay lang mag-dumpster diving kapag nasa mga small town. Kasi parang walang makapansin ba dito. Kasi every time na nag-dumpster dive doon sa mga pinuntahan namin, nag-stop kami, may mga tao sa sasakyan. Tommy told me somebody's in the car, nakatingin.
Oh, there was.
Ha?
There was. I can see the lights of the car are on.
Yeah. Anyway, the dumpster of this shop is right here in the back.
Yeah, unless they're doing a store reset, then you can get some fixtures and stuff. Otherwise, what are you gonna get there? Expired, rotten food? I mean, really, what are you gonna get from this grocery store?
Well, they do a lot. They throw a lot of, you know, you can still use it. I mean, if you wanna use it.
Yeah, would you take food out of the garbage and eat it?
No. But I can. Ayaw ni Tommy ng mga food sa garbage.
That ain't happening.
And happening though. And happening.
The hospital garbage, you can get like used needles.
Ay, Jesus Christ.
What down?
Poop. Anyway. So, we're going home guys kasi yung dalawang aso doon, it's already almost 8 o'clock ng gabi. Pero, ang dami pang mga tao. Of course, nasa ano tayo? City. So, we're going home. Buti na lang itong asawa natin is, ano, what the heck is this guy doing?
Being a moron.
What the f are you doing?
He doesn't know what he's doing. He's just trying to fucking jack off.
Slow down.
Okay, go this way.
So, buti na lang itong asawa ko is, ano, very, it's very supportive. Supportive husband of the year. Tommy. Goes to Tommy. Yee! A very supportive husband goes to Tommy Moy. He's yawning again, guys. Tommy Moy.
No places around here.
Nah, we're going home natin. It's a hospital. We're like hospital already. Hi guys, this is what I got from the... Look. Look, it's individual guys. From, you know, from dumpster. But it's really strong. This is good for tummy tolls. So that's why I decided to get it. But look, it's like, and it tells you there's still like something here. So now there's tummy stuff. This is for tummy. So yeah. What do you think, Ken? Say something.
I don't know. They're shelves.
It's strong, right?
They're little stacking shelves. Yeah.
Yeah. It's already almost 10 o'clock ng gabi. So, yeah. I'm just really proud of my first pickup from dumpster diving. Nail remover only. And there's like, this is the shelf where you can find like clearance stuff from the store. This is where they put it. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Good night, guys. I will see you guys in my next one. I will see you tomorrow, and I hope you don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys. Good night. Thank you guys so much for watching.